This video will demonstrate the dimension set ID filter and amount function. We're starting with the standard chart of accounts report. There's account number, account name, balance to date, and balance by dimension columns. All we've done is modified the key to include the dimension range that we want to analyze by and report on. So there's the customer group, country, division, project, and employees. So what we want to know is if there have been any postings made against the combination of Small England, Marketing, M1 Extension, and John Roberts. The first thing that needs to be done is insert an ID filter. Go to Insert function and then select BCGL DimSet ID filter function from the list of options and click OK. Now we need to fill in the function arguments, so we'll select the related fields from the spreadsheet, locking them in place as we go. Now, for dimension code, we need to place the range of dimension codes, so select and drag over the key. Then do the same for dimension value. Now, you will be able to see that it has returned the ID filter. This is the combination of the postings of Small England, Marketing, M1 Extension, and John Roberts, and how Business Central has identified it by giving it an ID filter. So now click OK. In the Balance by Dimension column, this is where we want to know the amount against the ID filter posting. So how much has been posted against these combinations? Click Insert function again, but now select BCGL DimSet Amount and click OK. Now fill in the function arguments again as before for connection and company. For dimension set ID filter, select the ID filter we just created, locking it in place, and then select the start date and end date, which are the dates that we want to analyze against. Now select the first GL account and then this time lock the column but not the rows. Then click OK. Now drag the formula down to the bottom in the Balance by Dimension column, and you will see some information start to populate. You can see that there is VAT posting, AP control account posting, and then individual expenses that we posted against. But now, within the actual filtering itself, you have the ability to change the key and even exclude one of these values. Firstly, we'll place the report into design mode and then change the value of this field from small to large. We'll also change the employees filter by using the @ symbol, which represents blank in this function. You'll notice all the values change to #design hashtag, but once finished, deactivate design mode and click refresh, and the values in the Balance by Dimension column will be updated to reflect the new filters. You will also see that it has allocated a new dim set ID to 16. So by placing the @ symbol against any of these filters, you can exclude certain categories that have not been posted against or exclude one element of the range.